Hey everyone, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. So I want to relay to you a snippet of a conversation I had with a potential customer the other day. We were on the phone and we were talking about the price of the customer's project, and they were lamenting on the fact that the price was a little bit more than they expected, right? And so I said to them, are you really concerned about price or cost? And that was a little bit confusing to them, and so let me kind of share with you how I walked through that. So let's imagine that you have a kitchen remodel project, and let's say you have prices from two different contractors. You have contractor A, who is established, strong reputation, been around for a long time, expert in kitchen and bathroom remodels, those types of things, and their price is, let's say, $50,000. And then you have contractor B, let's say a little bit less of a proven commodity, and you're not quite sure about them, but the price is only $40,000. Well, what's the difference in price? $10,000, right? But what you have to consider is the potential additional cost of that $40,000 price. Cost can be things like a really miserable construction experience, a project that doesn't finish on time, a project that has issues throughout, causing the stress level in the home to rise throughout the course of construction. Another cost is the contractor not being in business should you have a warranty claim come up a year or two later. And really the biggest cost to consider, will there be additional costs due to shoddy work 3, 5, or 10 years after the project is complete? So really at the end of the day, it's important to not just look at price, but look at total cost of your long-term remodel project. 888-995-7996 or log on to kbcrate.com if you'd like to talk with a member of our team about your remodel project.